Upgrading and modifying 3D printers is a core part of what makes desktop 3D printing so unique. As the industry continues to grow and the manufacturing techniques improve, it's always possible to take even the oldest of machines and bring them up to par with modern technology. MicroSwiss 3D printer components are drop-in replacements to upgrade the capabilities of dozens of different 3D printers, from wear-resistant nozzles and all-metal hot ends to full conversion direct drive kits. Let's break it down. Drop-in replacements are the name of the game for MicroSwiss. Every MicroSwiss all-metal hot end kit is designed to replace the stock hot end of your 3D printer without permanent modification or 3D printing any custom mounts. This makes getting started ridiculously easy because all you need to do is remove the old hot end, pre-assemble the MicroSwiss kit, install, and reinsert the heater cartridge and thermistor, and you're ready to start 3D printing again. And since every MicroSwiss hot end is all metal, you can 3D print with engineering grade materials like Nylon X, Nylon G, or Pro Series Nylon, as this upgrade will raise your 3D printer's maximum temperature up to 300 degrees Celsius. Having a nozzle for your 3D printer that can handle all the materials you want to throw at it is just as important as an all metal hot end. MicroSwiss knows this all too well and made sure to have options for the variety of form factors you can find on 3D printers. Some of their nozzles are brass with a wear-resistant coating and special polymer additives for a non-stick effect. Hardened steel nozzles are also available for ultimate abrasive performance. Take care to check that the nozzle is compatible with your 3D printer, as the form factor may not work on every 3D printer, or it may require an upgrade to a MicroSwiss all-metal hot end first. Choosing a more affordable, entry-level hobbyist 3D printer often means you will have a perfectly capable 3D printer just without all the bells and whistles, leaving room for you to choose what sort of upgrades and features mean the most to you. MicroSwiss designed and machined custom mounting hardware to convert some of the most popular 3D printers out there, like the Ender 3 and the CR10, into direct drive 3D printers. By mounting the extruder directly to the print head instead of attached to the frame, like in a Bowden system, you're able to exercise more control over the filament for easier flexible filament 3D printing and shorter retraction lengths, creating a more responsive system altogether. These direct drive extruder kits feature dual drive feeder gears, an adjustable tensioner, and all the hardware required to mount the new extruder to your 3D printer. MicroSwiss 3D printer components and upgrades are some of the easiest changes you can make to your 3D printer to expand its capabilities and improve its performance. To learn more and to order your MicroSwiss upgrade today, go to MatterHackers.com. Hey there, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that tech breakdown on MicroSwiss upgrades. This is actually one of the first upgrades I'll recommend to my friends with hobbyist printers that are looking for a little something more. If you want to read some in-depth articles, you can go to MatterHackers.com, or to stay up to date with all of our digital manufacturing content, be sure to click subscribe. See you in the next one.